after my first video. Dear students, I hope you all are very fine. I am also. Here, myself Sanjay Pal. I am your English grammar teacher, you know all. So, today I am going to deliver you a new topic. That is the first chapter of your English grammar book. Subject and predicate. I am talking about subject and predicate. Okay, subject and predicate. So, dear students, can you tell anyone what is subject and what is predicate? Do you know about the subject and about predicate? Okay, I am going to tell you about the topic today. I am trying the best. Whatever I have give the best I will give. Okay. So, first of all, we have to know about the subject. What is the position in a sentence? What is the position of subject in a sentence? Okay. The students, in a sentence, subject is a very important part of what we will speak about in a sentence. It may be person, it may be things, it may be or any other things. What we will say about in a sentence is called subject. Okay. Suppose Ram is a good boy. Okay. Ram is a good boy. Here Ram is the word in a sentence talking about. Who is a good boy? Ram is a good boy. So, Ram is subject. Understand? In a sentence, what we will talking about is called subject. It may be place, it may be a person name, it may be thing's name, or it may be the animal's name, etc. Okay, this part is called subject, and the rest of the part is called predicate. So, dear student, what we will learn today? Today we will learn about subject and predicate, and from the example we learned subject is the main part of a sentence. That means what we will talk about in a sentence is called subject. Suppose Ram is a good boy. Here Ram is a subject because in a sentence the whole sentence is talking about Ram, that he is a good boy. Okay, so Ram is subject, and the rest of the part is called predicate. So we may conclude that in a sentence except Ram, the rest part is called predicate. Okay, clear? Except Ram, the rest part is called predicate. So what is in a predicate? In a predicate there is verb, it may be article, and the object. Together call predicate. Okay, so this part is subject and that part is predicate. So from the example we can say whatever we can say about the subject. Whatever we can say about the subject is called predicate. What is predicate? Whatever we may say about a subject is called predicate. Suppose here Ram is a good boy. If I ask you what is Ram? If I ask you what is Ram? Answer is a good boy. So this part is predicate. So definition of predicate will be whatever we say about a subject is called predicate. I repeat, whatever we will say about subject is called predicate. Okay. Or what is the definition of a subject? the subject is the name of a person or name of a things, name of an animal or whatever we say about in a sentence is called subject. Okay, I think you all understand clearly what is subject and what is predicate. So let's see some examples. Okay, I am going to write some examples. You will clearly understand after it. First one, she lives in Calcutta. Okay, next one, you are going to market. Follow the example and find out which part is subject and which part is predicate. Dear students, carefully follow the board and find out what is which is subject and which are predicate. Okay, from the definition of subject, we can easily say that she, this is subject because in a sentence talking about to her. For this reason, this is subject. Okay, and the rest part is called predicate. Okay, the rest part is called predicate. Likewise, you, subject, and the rest part is called predicate. Okay, dear students, here the class. I have finished already the class, and now I'm going to tell you that you should learn from this video about what is subject and what is predicate. Okay, and try to find out from yourselves that which part of subject and which part is predicate. So I will give you in my hard copy, that means through the WhatsApp, some examples of these sentences. You will find out at your home which part is subject and which part is predicate. Till then, dear students, no more today, and thank you to all. Keep watching my videos and learn from your home. Thank you.